Hello everybody, this is a short video on olives. I'm going to take you to a little tree first. This tree here, every morning I've been looking at the birds eating olives, and I think, well, how come they're having such a great time? Because raw olives are quite bitter. And after experimenting myself eating them, I've been watching them from the window here every day, and they are really enjoying these olives. So I'm going to show you what I have done in order to process my olives and make them raw and make them vegan and plant-based, and where I don't need salt. I'm really not a great fan of salt. I think it spoils the olive taste. I've been using I was experimenting, it's my first year doing this, and I used a 10% brine and brined the olives, and they are just so salty. They actually use chemicals, lye, I seem to believe it is. They use chemicals in order to process olives, so they are not quite natural, industrial. And this is my first year of processing olives, so I tried 10% brine, didn't really like it. I've been told since that 3% salt may be okay, but I found it amazing just by watching the birds. Why are they enjoying them? Okay, so here are some dried olives, and I've been taking them from the tree. I'm experimenting with non-dried olives, but these ones here are completely dry. Okay, they are off of the tree. Next year, what I would probably do when there's an olive harvest, I would take them off kind of while they're looking a bit more full, like this, wash them and then put them on drying racks. That's what I'm planning to do, but this year I was a little bit late. So I've got the olives, and if you find that they are like a raisin with no soft spots, so this one's got a soft spot here, I wouldn't eat that one. I've experimented and I would be spitting that out because it would still be quite bitter. That one's still kind of, this one, okay, is totally dry. Now I would be looking at for any holes at this point, for in case there's anything that made a little home in there and started eating. These are still drying, so I'm looking through for one to eat. I ate with no holes in. I ate about 20 yesterday while I was getting these out of the crate while we're picking the olives. We've got massive crates. Some of them are coming out completely non-dry from the trees, and because it is December, and some are coming completely dry. So when you eat them like this, you know, you can wash them first, obviously, if you choose to. The flesh is really lovely. It's it's still quite succulent, and you can really taste that raw oil in there. They are lovely. They've got a beautiful raw olive taste, so I would highly recommend. Ideally, if you do it, because the birds will be near them, wash them, and you get the usual, the same stone, and they're just so delightful. They're really lovely. From now, I'm not quite sure if I actually want to brine my olives anymore, because I really enjoy the raw olives so much that I don't really want to brine them anymore, because these are just delightful. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Have a beautiful day, everyone. Thank you very much. Bye.